All right, XRP family. So if you hold XRP, which I'm assuming you do because you're watching this video, then this video is for you. We're going to talk about what the next 30 days holds for XRP, kind of what to expect. What are we going to see, good or bad? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So please do two things. Number one, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and stay. I got a lot to tell you. And I've also got some cool stuff towards the end to remind you of and tell you about as well. If you're new to me, my name's Austin. I cover XRP crypto every single day. Let's get into this. So, look, it's the question we're all asking ourselves, right? What does the next 30 days hold? What are we looking at? What are we thinking XRP is going to do? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? We're going to continue this volatility. What are some key things out there that we need to look at and be aware of? So here's what I want you to kind of pay attention to and kind of see. So we need sentiment, how people feel, to rise. We need people to start feeling better about the crypto market. Do I expect that to happen in the next 30 days? Not really. Okay, just bottom line. And here's why. If you look out in the next 30 days, there's really no major catalyst. Now, yes, we can talk about the Federal Reserve and what are they going to do, not going to do. A lot of that's baked into the market already, okay? And so the last point with the Federal Reserve is we have in May the nomination for the new chairman of the Federal Reserve, Trump's pick, and getting rid of Powell. Okay, so we're going to start seeing more volatility and stuff around that, around May, associated with the Fed. There's something brewing out there, and it's the continued escalation of tension between the United States and Iran. That's a potential negative catalyst out there that could impact your XRP from a negative standpoint. But if we really want to distill it down, I think the next 30 days for XRP is going to continue with the volatility, the range-bound trading that we're seeing, okay? With more potential for that downside pressure, that bearish pressure to maybe move us closer to $1 because of those more macro financial impact points out there. Iran, Fed, labor numbers, inflation, sentiment, kind of all being still essentially in a bearish mode right now. Okay, now is this a doom and gloom, oh my God, the sky is falling scenario? No, this is just the reality of what I think we're going to see and need to expect to happen in the next 30 days. So here's a couple of action points I want you to remember. That if we do see some bearish pressure and we see XRP moving closer to that dollar range, if you have the capital to do it, throw some more money at XRP. Set some maybe buy triggers, automated buy triggers on like your Coinbases or your Crypto.coms of the world to say, hey, if XRP hits $1.15 or $1.10, buy me, a couple $100 worth at these respective points. You can set all that stuff up pretty easily in your respective exchange. Now, am I giving you investing advice? No, videos for entertainment purpose only, but this is what I'm doing, okay? Because at those levels, getting back to closer to that dollar, I did a video on this a couple days ago, getting close to that dollar range, if we do see bullish pressure pushing XRP down, it's a rebuy-in number. There's on-chain data that shows that we're starting to see OG kind of original gangsta, XRP holders, people that have been here forever, looking at rebuying in on those levels. Okay, so we're starting wallets that are tracked and they're buying if we see dips, things like that, right? So that's what I'm thinking. Okay, 30 days range bound with more potential for that kind of bearish move down. Gave you an action plan associated with that. So remember that. Okay, and just know that we've got that. Okay, that's what I got for you. Okay, so two things for me, please. Number one, I have a trading indicator, x1algo.com, and that trading indicator can help you make even more money in crypto. There's a link down in the description below to it, X1Algo. It's literally $1.10 a day to use it. It runs on an iPhone, Android, runs on a computer, and you can set it up. And I've got, by the way, live training 3 times a week, live coaches in the members area giving you training classes 3 times a week, which are recorded, by the way, helping you set everything up, get everything moving. And by the way, it's easy to set up. You're literally up and running in about 15 minutes, but they can help you tune it, tweak it, and set it up where it's really tracking and making money for you, X1Algo, because it tells you when to buy and when to sell. Any crypto, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It'll send notifications to your phone, a little pop-up. It says, let's say you had a trigger for XRP. XRP, when it drops 20%, it says, boom, it's the right time to buy XRP. And it will send a trigger to your phone, buy XRP, XRP buy notification. And then XRP goes up 30%, 40%, and it'll say, hey, this just went up 30, 40%. You may want to think about selling because the the software picked up the fact that it went up 30%, but now it's starting to kind of go back down. So you sell at the top, and now you just locked in 40% and put it in your bank account, whatever. Okay, that's what the software does, and it's $1.10 a day to use it. That's it. Okay. And by the way, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back cancellation guarantee, refund guarantee. Try it for 30 days. You don't like it, cancel, get a complete refund. So you have zero risk in this equation. Get up off the couch, try it. You got nothing to lose. Links are right down there to go give her a look. I'll see you. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.